Hello dear students, this is Dr. Amita Telang. Let us continue our subject operating system, and today we will see time sharing operating system. In time sharing operating system, we will see the topics introduction, basic concept, characteristics, advantages and disadvantages. Let us see first the introduction. Multi-programmed system provide an environment in which the various system resources are utilized effectively, but they do not provide for user interaction with the computer system. Time sharing or multitasking is a logical extension of multi-programming. In time sharing system, the CPU executes multiple jobs by switching among them, but the switches occur so frequently that the users can interact with each program while it is running. It is a technique which enables many people located at various terminals to use a particular computer system at the same time. Time sharing or multitasking is a logical extension of multi-programming. Processor's time, which is shared among multiple users simultaneously, is termed as time sharing. Now let us see the basic concept. So time sharing requires an interactive computer system which provides direct communication between the user and the system. The user gives instruction to the operating system or to a program directly using an input device such as a keyboard or a mouse and waits for immediate results on an output device. Accordingly, the response time should be short, typically less than 1 second. A time sharing operating system allows many users to share the computer simultaneously. As the system switches rapidly from one user to the next, each user is given the impression that the entire computer system is dedicated to his use, even though it is being shared among multiple users. Each user has at least one separate program in memory. A program loaded into memory and executing is called a process. When a process executes, it typically executes for only a short time before it either finishes or needs I/O performance. I/O may be interactive, that is, output goes to a display for the user and input comes from a user keyboard, mouse or other device. Since interactive I/O typically runs at people speed, it may take a long time to complete. Rather than let the CPU sit idle as this interactive input takes place, the operating system rapidly switches the CPU to the program of some other users, because we are working on a time sharing environment. Some of the functions of time sharing environment, that it uses CPU scheduling and multi-programming to provide each user with a small portion of time shared computer. Job scheduling is another important point and function of time sharing operating system. Memory management, as we already seen in multi-programming operating system, it also performs memory management, it also performs CPU scheduling. Okay, and process scheduling and disk storage, these are some new features that we seen in time sharing operating system. So finally, running multiple jobs currently require that their ability to affect one another be limited in all phases of operating system, including process scheduling and disk storage. Swapping is one of the most interesting concept used in this time sharing operating system. Here the system must ensure reasonable response time, which is sometimes accomplished through swapping, where processes are swapped in and out of main memory to the disk. In our future classes we will see this topic in detail. Virtual memory, a more common method for achieving this goal is virtual memory. Okay, as we all know this thing, in our previous class also I have discussed one time this term, that is virtual memory. What is going on here? is it is a technique that allows the execution of process that is not completely in memory. The main advantage of virtual memory is that it enables users to run programs that are longer than actual physical memory. This arrangement frees programmers from concern over memory storage limitation. File system and disk management. These two are most commonly used concepts in operating system, and time sharing system also provide a file system and disk management system. Job synchronization and communication. It is a most important part of this time sharing operating system. It is ensuring that orderly executions and system must provide mechanism for job synchronization and communication. It may ensure that jobs do not get stuck in the deadlock, forever waiting for one another. So job synchronization and communication is very important functionality and characteristic of time sharing operating system, which it always implement. Here some of, as we already seen this thing, that time sharing OS is the advancement of multi-programming or batch system operating systems. So here the main difference between multi-program batch system and time-share system is that in case of multi-programmed batch system, the objective is to maximize processors use, whereas in time-sharing system, the objective is to minimize response time. So here both the points, here we see all that both the points, they are equally important. Here we are looking this as a difference, but both the points are important. Let us see the advantages and disadvantages, as all the operating systems have some advantages and some disadvantages. So time sharing operating system, it also has some advantage and some disadvantage. It provides advantage of quick response, avoids duplication of software, reduces CPU idle time, and disadvantage, problem of reliability, question of security integrity, and problem of data communication. So time sharing operating system, it has some advantage and disadvantages, but beside advantage and disadvantage, we can say that it is a technique which enable many people located at various terminals to use a particular computer system at the same time. It is multitasking. It is extension of multi-programming. Here processor's time, which is shared among multiple users simultaneously, is termed as time sharing. So time sharing is equally important as other operating systems. In our next class, we will see real-time operating system, that is our new age operating system which are used currently. Thank you very much.